What's up, everyone? You are on the Corvette 252 show. Scroll down, click that subscribe button, become part of this awesome community. Let's go!
This is the story of an average guy and a beautiful girl.
Hi.
Don't tell me your name. I'll just call you Beauty.
You must be a sensitive person. I bet you're a fan of Rod McEwen's.
I try to be.
And his best friend.
I am Captain Chaos. Been a cop long?
And a family doctor.
Police.
Come on right here.
And how they all set out one day in an ambulance from New York to California at 150 miles per hour.
California, here we come.
But they aren't the only ones. Because this is the Cannonball Run, America's illegal Grand Prix. And it doesn't matter how you get there. It's who gets there first. Burt Reynolds is the defending champion. On his team, Farrah Fawcett.
Are you one of those volleyballers?
Cannonballs.
Dom DeLuise and Jack Elam. And here comes the competition.
Will you hurry up, you little...
Dean Martin.
We happen to be in a race.
Sammy Davis Jr.
You, Shorty. Where'd you get all that jewelry?
Take a layup.
Mel Tillis and Terry Bradshaw. Jackie Chan. And Roger Moore as himself.
I'm Roger Moore. Roger Moore.
All of them. Reckless.
We're in kind of a hurry, so if you could just bless it and then we can...
Unscrupulous.
Oh, I gotta bless her. I'm sorry, Father. She's a Zen Buddhist.
Desperate characters. By land, by sea, by air. They'll do anything, drive anything, say anything.
It's hard to understand you.
When I called you, I was doing 140 miles an hour.
And stop at nothing.
Normally I drive right around the speed limit.
We all make mistakes, miss. But 160?
To win the Cannonball Run.
Yeah, we're looking good.
Come on, faster!
Cannonball Run. The only movie to get over 200 tickets before it even opens.
That's Cannonball. Perfect.
Are you a fan of Cannonball Run? If you are, I have some exciting news for fans of high-speed action. The new Cannonballer movie is on its way, packed with adrenaline and pumping scenes and epic road racing. To celebrate its release, they are hosting an easy giveaway. Yes, an easy giveaway that ends September 20th, where you can score some awesome prizes. Guys, do not miss out on entering this super easy, simple giveaway, and you can be part of the action. Let's go.
I am living proof that dreams come true in America. When I first arrived here, I walked dogs and did whatever was necessary to chase my dream and experience the true America. America's sports car, the Corvette, is as American as apple pie and hot dogs. To celebrate the National Corvette Museum's 30th anniversary, I am excited to announce, in partnership with Canine Grass by Forever Lawn, some very special giveaways for the drivers of the Corvette Caravan. You have a chance to win a pair of VIP pit passes to a NASCAR event, a Golf Greens on the Go portable putting green by Forever Lawn, or one of my Halo colors with 1-year subscription designed to keep your pets safe and happy. To enter, simply post a photo of your Corvette on your social media with hashtag Corvette Dreams and hashtag Canine Grass Giveaway. Good luck and keep chasing your dreams, baby!
Cannonball Run production. I am hoping for an opportunity to be a part of this project. This is absolutely like a dream come true. a Corvette guy, hard Corvette YouTuber, and a C7 Corvette, and I can get an opportunity to act and be a part of this project, it'll be super phenomenal, absolutely crazy.
I'm thrilled to announce that I recently had the chance to meet the man himself, yes, Mr. Mark, the producer of the Cannonballer movie. We had great conversations, and I'm praying for the opportunity to be a part of this amazing project, but that's not all. Get ready to meet the guys who broke the record and inspired this high-octane film. It's going to be an incredible experience, and there's so much more to come. Let's hop into the video.
What's up, ladies and gentlemen, and welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog. You guys can see right now, I am standing somewhere special, somewhere where I've always adored, and a place where I've been to multiple times. And this tunnel is where I drove my 2020 C8 Corvette out of. Actually, I rode in it out of this tunnel, and it was pouring down rain on the day I picked up my car from the National Corvette Museum. With that being said, I want to make this video because I truly love the experience I had at the National Corvette Museum. I think it's a great opportunity for you guys to be able to pick up your car, learn a lot about it, and feel the love that it feels to own a Corvette. So, that being said, this is the National Corvette Museum for anybody that is new to this channel. If you never been to the National Corvette Museum, you should totally come out here. It's a great experience, great opportunity. You see a lot of people, and you'll see a lot of Corvettes. And across the street, you will see the National Corvette plant as well. But inside of this showroom floor, from my personal experience, let me break this down for you. Every one of these cars is going to experience a National Corvette Museum experience. And from there, they get their cars, they get inside their cars, and someone from the National Corvette Museum will actually break down every nook and cranny, from starting the car, from, you know, controlling it, to whatever you need to do to show the person exactly what they need to do in order to drive their car comfortably. The best part about it is they treat you like family. They treat you like family. They treat every customer the same. Every customer gets treated the same. You get into the passenger seat, they get into the driver's seat, and they show you everything you need to know. Then they'll come on the driver's seat, put you in the driver's seat, and then they'll tell you everything you need to know about the car as well. And it's a great experience. And what's so crazy about it is they shine these bad boys up to look extremely nice when they are here in the showroom floor. Another thing is, if your family members aren't here to watch it with you, they got cameras everywhere. As you can see, there's a camera right up there, right up there, right over there. And those cameras are allowing your fan base or your family members to watch it with you if they can't make it here with you. So let me zoom in on the cameras. You can see cameras. And that's another great opportunity for your family to watch this same experience with you. Now, you won't be able to hear anything, but they get to see the whole experience, take screenshots of it, and all that good stuff. So, with that being said, I'm going to go down the lane and break down each one of these vehicles, their spec, their build, but I won't touch their cars because obviously you can't do it. And out of respect for them, you don't want to touch their car anyways. But I will say, right now it looks like there's 5 Z06s and 1 Stingray. So let's start off with the car that's the closest to me, which is this one. So as you guys can see, this is the person that is picking up this red mist Corvette E-Ray. So actually this is an E-Ray, not a Z06. Standing in front of it looks like a Z06 obviously, but this is an E-Ray. So shout out to Roger and Janet Daniel. Congratulations on you guys' new E-Ray. I don't know if you watch the channel, but if you do, congratulations to you. As you can see, E-Ray there on the side. All right, so they got the red mist with the red interior, black interior as well. Kind of mixed a little bit, but you can see that it's a really great build. I like the fact that they have the black that breaks it up. They have the heated and cooled seats option, which means that this is at least a 2LZ or an above. And you can see that they have the black wheels, but they have the silver calibers, which is great. And it just sets the car just enough. So what this means is the car will pop on its own. And as you guys can see, the wishbone is actually the still body color image of the car, which makes it an E-Ray. And let's see if they did anything. Yes, they got a red engine cover as well, which makes the car pop when you want to look down in the engine area. And I like the duck spoiler. It comes up just a little bit. Look at the, see how it comes up a little bit? That's pretty cool. So overall, this is a really great build. I like it a lot, and I think they will enjoy it. And I'm really excited for E-Ray owners to get a hold of their vehicles, because the E-Ray is something I feel like needs to be talked about a little bit more, and for people to get the opportunity to experience it. On to this bad boy. So now we have a black Z06. All right, let's walk over here. This actually is not being owned by anyone. I guess this car, if you decide to enter the drawing, you can buy tickets to get this bad boy, what it looks like, because I don't see anything that says congratulations to X, Y, and Z. So this is telling me that this car is what you can actually win if you buy tickets. So this car is black with black wishbone, which people could get confused and think is an E-Ray, but it's not, because it says Z06 on the badge. Standard wheels, convertible, so we can't see the engine area, but it does have black stripes on it as well, with natural dip interior with black as well. So I like it because it breaks it up a little bit. It's not fully red, it's not fully black, it's not fully natural dip, it's just a mix of the two. And excuse my voice because I'm a little sick right now, but I want to be able to get you guys some great content as well for the National Corvette Museum. So shout out to Paul and Gwen Conti. This is their build. This is their Red Mist Z06 Coupe. This car has the Z07 package on it. It is a Red Mist as well. And it has the silver calibers with the silver wheels. They clash a little bit because both are silver, but it's very possible he could change the wheels in the future, which will make that silver pop. Definitely great taste, nicely job done being built. Z06 right here on the side. Wishbone is black. As you know, this is a Z06 again. You can see they have carbon flash spoiler. A lot of people like the carbon flash because it's a little bit cheaper to get in regard to the carbon fiber. He has the silver pipes instead of the black pipes, which is, you know, both are very popular. I think I went with silver because it stands out a little bit more. They have the red engine cover, as you guys can see. It looks really nice. I like that. It pops. It kind of blends in with the car a little bit more. Then you come over to the interior. This natural dip interior looks really great. Well, it's not dip because it's not fully natural, but you get what I mean. It's two-tone. The stitching is great. It breaks it up. I love it. Really great job. Really great build. I like it. Like it a lot. Way to go. We come over here. Now we have a Stingray. They don't have who actually this car is going to yet, but we'll give them a shout out anyway. Congratulations to you. They have Seawolf Gray, Stingray. This is a Z51 package. You can see it on the calibers right there. Okay. They have the nice new wheels as well. They have a coupe with the red engine cover, which stands out. Notice both cars has red engine covers. It's very popular. It definitely stands out with the car. They have the red interior with black interior mixed with two-tone, red stitching. The mirrors are carbon flash, so they decided not to do body color instead. Went with carbon flash. Really great color car. A lot of people will go back and forth with this gray. I like it a lot. I think it's definitely different. Although you do see the gray a lot on Dodges and things like that. You know, I wouldn't say it's a solid color, but it's a different color. Z51 package, good job.
Experience the thrill, the ultimate performance, and shift yourself in the gear to buy yourself some tickets.
Howdy folks, here is a National Sprint Car Hall of Fame Museum giveaway. Not just any old giveaway, we have a 2025 Corvette Z01 with the ZTK Performance Package plus $30,000. This is a giveaway you want to buy tickets for. With you being a Brinkofspeed 252 subscriber and member of this channel, along with viewer, you get double the entries on your ticket purchases. You need to act fast because I want you to be the winner of this 2025 Corvette Z01 that's very desired. Again, you get 20% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. Get your tickets while this Z01 is hot off the press.
The way to get your tickets is by clicking the link down in my description or click the link down in my pinned comment section below. Once you click the link, you will go to the top and click Donate Now to enter. Once you click Donate Now to enter, you will see at the top on the left hand side, C Garner 20. Yes, C Garner 20. That's your code. That code will get you 20% bonus entries on your ticket purchases. And then you have the option to purchase $25, $50, $100, $200, $350, $500, $1,000, and $2,000. Once you decide on how many tickets you would like to buy, then you would type in your information, click continue, and you just purchase your tickets to buy this awesome 2025 Corvette ZR1 plus $30,000.
Now we come over to the other Z06. Well, let's make sure it's a Z06 before I say Z06 and E, right? This car doesn't have a name. It is a Z06. You can see right there, okay? It's a coupe, and they have the black engine cover, as you can see right there. And this is a red mist as well, black wishbone. They have the standard wheels on it as well. They also have black calipers, so it kind of stands out a little bit, but it doesn't pop like if it was, might have been silver or something of that nature. It also has the natural interior as well, two-tone. So every vehicle so far that we've seen inside the Corvette Museum is two-tone, not a one solid color. I like two-tone because, again, it breaks the car up. They decided we'll go with the body colored mirrors instead of going with carbon flash, which looks great. I think it definitely stands out too. If you walk over here to the other side of the car, the front splitter is the same body colored as well. I like this. They have side skirts that are black, breaks up the car as well. It's definitely something that I think it gives the car a little bit of a, you can see some of the body lines a little bit better and things of that nature. You can see the natural interior as well with the natural stitching. And the car that I'm gonna save for the last part of this video. And you can see Lee is the owner of this Arctic White Corvette Z06 Coupe. Absolutely phenomenal, absolutely great. You can see that this is actually a Z07 package. The engine cover is black. He has the black wheels with the silver calipers that stands out against the black wheels as well. Z06 logo. If you come over to the other side, it has black interior with white stitching all the way around, carbon fiber steering wheel, carbon fiber roof as well, carbon fiber mirrors. This car is nicely done. Carbon fiber front splitter. It is a great, great build. Good job, Mr. Lee, on this bad boy. I really appreciate you letting me get this in my video, even though you may be here, may not be here, but I greatly appreciate your build a lot. Really tastefully, nicely done. And I'm glad you're doing a museum experience because it's something different, something that most people haven't experienced before. So for everybody that has done a National Corvette Museum experience, leave your comments down below. For all of you who's going to do this experience in the future, leave your comments down below. Thank you so much for watching this upload. Thank you so much for being part of this community. If you truly want to see my experience at the National Corvette Museum, type in Corvette 252 on YouTube, National Corvette Museum Delivery. It should pull up my video. You get to see my whole experience and see what it's like to see if you want to experience it for yourself. It's a non-profit type of thing, and it's super, super awesome. So with that being said, you guys, thank you for watching this upload. Give this video a thumbs up, leave your comments down below, and hit that subscribe button anywhere on your phone, screen, or tablet. Hit that bell notification right beside it so you get an alert anytime a video comes out. If you bought some tickets, I greatly appreciate it. Appreciate you, and I'm looking forward to seeing you in the next episode of Corvette Speed 252.